Let us consider one more example, that is B from the same question. The numbers are 204 and 168. As both the numbers are even numbers, I will divide by 2. After dividing these two numbers by 2, I got 102 and 84. Again, these two numbers are even numbers. I will divide by 2. After dividing 102 by 2, I got 51. After dividing 84 by 2, I got 42. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. So the next common factor is 3. After dividing by 3, I got 17 and 14. Now, after 17 and 14, I will not get any common factor. So these are my common factors for these both the numbers, 2, 2 and 3. So my HCF is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now let us divide it further. 17 is a prime number. So I am dividing by 17. 17 ones are 17. 1 I cannot divide it further. 14 I cannot divide by 17. So I have taken down as it is. Now I have to consider 14. 14 is even number, so I am dividing by 2. 2 7s are 14. 7 ones are 7. So in both the places I got 1. I will stop dividing it further. My LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 17 into 2 into 7, which is 2856. Remember children, though I have encircled these common factors, these factors you have to consider while calculating LCM. It is very important. Why I am asking you to encircle this to find the HCF. Let us move to the next example. That is question number 4 from example 2.3, exercise 2.3b. Now we have three numbers, 36, 144 and 100. First I will divide by 2. I got 18, 72 and 50. After that I will again divide by 2. I got 9, 36 and 25. Now there is no other common factor, so I have encircled this 2 into 2, 2 and 2. My HCF is, right children, 2 into 2, 4. Now I will start by dividing 1 by 1. I will divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. 12 3s are 36, but 25 I cannot divide by 3. I am taking it down as it is. Again I will divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 25 I cannot divide by 3. I am taking it down as it is. Now I have two numbers, 4 and 25. I told you the moment you get 1 in any place, we will stop dividing it further. Now I will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 25 I cannot divide by 2. Again I am dividing by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 25 as it is. Children, here also now I have got 1. Now I will divide by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. All the three places I got 1 1 1. So here my LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, which is 3600. Thank you.